Welcome back to my channel, or hello for the first time. How are you doing? I hope you're having a great day and I hope the rest of your week is also fabulous. If you're a patron, you may already know this, but if you are not, I'm going to tell you, I'm having a terrible time of it. So the pipes underneath my sink exploded, then my stopcock broke, which means I couldn't stop the flow of water into my house, which means my house was flooded with water for approximately 3-4 hours the other night there, and right now is the only time that I've not had my 3 dehumidifiers running to try and get all the water out of like the cabinets and the floor and stuff. If you have any advice on trying to dry out something after a flood, please let me know in the comments. Anyway, moving on. Recently I've had a few comments and a few people ask me for easy peasy lemon squeezy recipes, and that's what today is. I've seen this video on TikTok and I will put the creator's information somewhere here for you to see. I've only ever seen one of his videos before and it's this only one, so I bookmarked it immediately, told my friend Levi about it, and we both agreed that it had to be done. Probably not the cheapest recipe in the world. You're almost like taking a meal and turning it into another meal, but it's certainly different. Today's video is ravioli lasagna. I'm currently barefoot in this kitchen, so if you get scratch on my feet, please don't report me. I don't know what dish to use for this, so I've got 2 different dishes here. I think I'm going to have to go for the big bad boy. Your oven has to be preheating to 420 degrees Fahrenheit if you're an American fella, or 200 degrees if you've got a fan oven, or 220 degrees if your oven is without a fan. Essentially, it's just lasagna, but instead of using pasta sheets, you're using lasagna. I actually couldn't get lasagna, so I'm using tortelloni. In the video, the fella used sausage, so I got sausage. I got a spicy sausage from Morrison's. He also had a spinach and ricotta layer, so I got some of that yolk. And he used a thing called vodka sauce, but he bought a pre-made jar of vodka sauce. And in the spirit of making an easy recipe, nothing here is homemade. Everything is just shop bought. We do have to make one thing, which is like a weird ricotta cheese layer, so we'll do that just now. So hopefully, straight after the intro, I have remembered to put a list of ingredients for you, so you know what we're using, right? So, get your ricotta. Now the guy just dumped it straight into his bowl, but if memory serves, ricotta's got like water in it. Yeah, I don't want that. Pour your ricotta juice in the sink. Ricotta. Use this wee ricotta tub for my egg. Shit ton of parsley. Oh, that's maybe too much. Parmesan. Mozzarella. You may notice that I am not using measuring. I'm not measuring any of this, but I measure with my heart, with my strong beating heart. That's enough. Salt, pepper. I do have fresh garlic, and you could take some fresh garlic and mince it and put it in. But again, we're using shop bought everything, so let's just use shop bought garlic. You could use the lazy garlic stuff. I'm just going to use garlic puree because I am. Anyway, mix that about. Oh, it's awful green. Guys, I think I put too much parsley in. I still stand with the parsley as a pointless herb. It tastes like nothing, it's only there for decoration to make things look chef. It's a hill I'm willing to die on. Fight me in the comments about the taste of parsley. Right, so mix that about and it looks like that. Smells amazing as well. I'm going to move the camera around and we're going to build this lasagna together. And then you're going to judge my fingernails because they really need painted badly. But here we are. Don't judge me. Hello. So the sauce I'm using is a tomato and chili sauce. It's not really a lasagna sauce, but it is a red sauce. And that guy was using a vodka sauce. I don't know if vodka sauce is an American thing or an Italian thing, but do you know what it isn't? A Scottish thing. So I couldn't get any. And I could have made some, for sure, but that's not the point in this video, is it? So, the fella put some sauce down, then he spread that around. Right, a wee bit more sauce maybe? Yeah. Then he got his sausage lasagna sheets, tortelloni, ravioli, and then he just sort of like layered it. I think I grossly underestimated how long this would take, but here we are. I could put this in a lot neater, couldn't I? Really? I mean, I'm too late now because if I take it all out, it's covered in sauce, and then you'll know me as a charlatan. Ideally, if we could get this whole packet to cover the bottom, that would be great. Oh, I think I manifested it. Oh! After he puts this layer in, he puts a layer of his ricotta stuff in, which is here. So we're just going to put wee dollops. Right, I need a wee spatula for the rest of that because it's getting a bit too close to comfort of running out, you know. Right, there's my cheesy ricotta layer. There, done, smashing. So then he puts a layer of mozzarella cheese down, which is weird because this is full of mozzarella cheese, but let's not deviate from the guy's recipe, because who are we to say that that's too much cheese? Certainly not the cheese police. So just put whatever your cheesy heart desires. Yeah, that'll do it. Then he puts the ricotta ravioli down, so let's do that. Tortelloni, not ravioli. I'm really tempted just to throw that on there and like rather than place it. Will we try it? Yeah. Yeah. And then we can just kind of like shimmy it apart, you know? Oh, these look smaller than the sausage ones. I think we may need to open a second packet, yo. Ridiculoso. I think, is that shrinkflation? Shrinkflation? Where things just get smaller? But how can they justify it being smaller than the sausage one? Look at that big gap. Right, we need to open it. It's getting open, guys. It's open now, so we may as well just squeeze as much as we can in this layer, eh? We'll push that down because I'm scared. Right. Now it's time for the sauce again. So we'll just cover you in a saucy business. And that was a whole tub of sauce in one layer, guys. Next you're supposed to put basil. I don't have any basil, so let's just pretend we put basil down. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Now it's time for more mozzarella. Oh, so much cheese. Right. Again, we're not the cheese police, just do it. I'm currently at the gym and I'm currently trying to track calories and macros. Macros? Oh, what's disgusting. Whoever came up with having to track macros, sir, because I know you're a man, because you're not a woman. Sir, I deeply despise you. Anyway, this, I can't even fathom how many calories this is going to be. Sausage. Sausage, not sausage ravioli, sausage tortellini. Why do I struggle with that word so badly? Oh, yeah, because that's a full packet of the sausage one. And so we're going to have to open another packet and use that one. Boop. Boop. I feel like that ricotta sauce could have been used a wee bit higher up the dish, you know? But again, who am I? I'm no your mom. You do what you want. Right, time for more sauce. Then cheese. then more cheese, and we're done. So we're just going to open this third sauce. Get we should go first, because who doesn't like a sugar? Let's just pour this bitch on there. Woo! So I'm going to try and cover as much pasta as I can with this sauce, because obviously it's just going to go dry in the oven if it's not covered with a sauce. We are going to cover it in tin foil, but it's wiry ones, you know. Plus it'll be covered in cheese, I'm sure it'll be fine. Okay, now it's time for, again, more mozzarella and then parmesan. So any wee baldy bits of pasta, I'm just trying to stick some cheese on there, you know. Right, that'll do. Parmesan, where'd you go? There you go there. The guy didn't do this, right, but I'm going to do it because, again, parsley is just that thing that you put on for decoration, right? So look at it now, right? And suddenly, it looks so professional. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, let's put some tin foil on it. Cool. So this now goes into the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. It depends on how your pasta's cooking. So if your oven runs like hot or whatever, give it to 25. If it doesn't, give it to 30, or take it out after 25, give it a wee pokey jiggery. If you think that the pasta's not soft enough, put it back in for another 5 minutes. Just judge it as you go, but 25 to 30 minutes should be enough. So I'll see you in 30 minutes. Are you ready to see this lasagna? Ooh. Yeah. So the tin foil stuck up here and ripped some of the cheese away, exposing some of that tortellini, but that's okay. So what I did is, after the initial 30 minutes of cooking, I then put the grill on, or the broiler, I guess Americans call it, I think, I don't know, just to kind of crisp up this cheese, and I think it really has done it a favour. So I'm just going to leave this to rest for a bit, and my friend Levi and Melissa are coming over and we're going to have it together for dinner. So we'll see how it tastes shortly. Right, so this has cooled down a bit now, so I'm going to try and cut it. I don't know the best way to do this, but we'll try this. Oh my god, I need a shovel. That is really cheesy. So you don't really see any layers or whatever, but well, there is certainly layers in there. You watch me do it. Do you want a middle bit of this piece?
I think that middle bit that you cut out looks fantastic.
You want that? Oh, there's a wee bit of sausage flew away.
Looks amazing.
So what's the, what is the tortellini? What is it?
Spicy sausage with a spicy tomato sauce and a layer of ricotta cheese tortellini. Hello again. So here is my piece of lasagna while my friends sit in the living room and eat theirs. Let's try a bit. So as I say, the layers did kind of collapse, but let's try it. I mean, what's not to love? It's just filled pasta. Yeah, it's really nice. It is just pasta, cheese and sauce. Can't really go wrong. I'm not really picking up much of the ricotta layer that we put in, so let's dig a bit of that out. Yeah, that's nice. I think in future I'd maybe make more of that and put 2 layers of it in, but yeah, it's really nice. So if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. It would mean the world to me if you do, and it really helps me in like that weird algorithm thing. If not, I totally get it, don't worry about it. I also have a Patreon and merch if you want to see anything to do with that. It is in the link down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!